Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate destination for making smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're taking to the skies with two drones that promise to elevate your aerial game. On the left, we've got the Ruko U11S. And on the right, make way for the Hiturbo drone with 1080p camera. Buckle up because it's about to get turbulent. Let's dive right in and see which one of these flying gizmos deserves a place in your gadget arsenal. First up, let's talk about the price tag. The Ruko U11S will set you back a cool $283. For that price, it better come with a personal butler. On the other hand, the Hiturbo drone is priced at a wallet-friendly $79. That's right, folks. You can buy 3 Hiturbo drones and still have enough left over for a decent lunch. So if you're on a budget, the Hiturbo is already soaring ahead. Now, onto camera quality. The Ruko U11S boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like having a mini Spielberg in your pocket. Meanwhile, the Hiturbo drone offers a 1080p camera. Not bad, but compared to 4K, it's like watching a blockbuster on VHS. If you want to capture those Insta-worthy shots, the Ruko U11S is your go-to drone. Sorry, Hiturbo, but this round goes to Ruko. Reviewers praise the Ruko U11S for its superior camera quality, making it ideal for capturing high-definition videos and photos. On the other hand, while the Hiturbo's camera may have some lag, it's still enjoyable for casual use, especially for beginners or kids. Next, let's talk flight time. The Ruko U11S comes with an intelligent battery giving you 20 minutes of airtime, and with an extra battery, you get a whopping 40 minutes of sky-high fun. The Hiturbo drone, though, offers 12 minutes per battery, and a total of 24 minutes with its 2 batteries. So if you're looking to extend your aerial adventures, the Ruko U11S is like the marathon runner of drones, while Hiturbo is more of a sprinter. Reviewers highlight the Ruko U11S for its extended flight time, making it perfect for longer sessions. The Hiturbo, while offering less flight time, is still praised for its ease of use and quick setup. Ease of use is crucial, especially if your drone flying skills are as shaky as my grandma's Jell-O. The Ruko U11S is beginner-friendly with 1 key functions and a transmitter that charges directly. It's practically begging you to take it for a spin. The Hiturbo drone, though, is also pretty user-friendly with features like altitude hold, 3D flip, and headless mode. Plus, no manual pairing required. It's almost like the drone equivalent of a self-driving car. So both drones are easy to use, but Hiturbo edges out slightly for keeping it simple. Reviewers agree that both drones are user-friendly, but the Hiturbo is especially noted for being great for kids and beginners due to its simplicity. Lastly, let's look at the bells and whistles. The Ruko U11S comes packed with GPS positioning, optical flow positioning for indoor flights, and can be folded to fit in your pocket. Plus, it's FAA compliant. No need to worry about the drone police. The Hiturbo drone, while not as feature-rich, offers voice control, trajectory flight, and a whole bunch of fun tricks like 3D flips. It's like the circus performer of drones. But let's be honest, the Ruko U11S is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Reviewers love the Ruko U11S for its advanced features and compact design, while the Hiturbo is praised for its fun and entertaining features, making it a hit among younger users. Reviewers praise the Ruko U11S for its superior camera quality, extended flight time, and advanced features, making it ideal for serious drone enthusiasts. On the other hand, the Hiturbo drone is lauded for its affordability, ease of use, and fun features, making it a great choice for beginners and younger users. So there you have it, folks. The Ruko U11S is the tech-packed, feature-rich, high-flying champion, perfect for those who want to get serious about their drone game. Meanwhile, the Hiturbo drone is the budget-friendly, fun-loving option, great for beginners and kids. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more epic product battles. Until next time, keep flying high, smart shoppers. Product links are in the description.